Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you how you can trade the under 8 strategy. Okay, so under 8 and over 1 is almost the same thing, although under 8 is just the opposite of over 1. Okay, but they are just the same thing. So how do we trade under 8 strategy? Now this is how you trade it. Okay, after creating your Deriv account, you will find yourself on this interface. Okay, make sure you create your Deriv account, verify it, then after logging in you will find yourself here. This is a new Deriv interface. Okay, so up here you will see different different trading types, okay, which is rise and fall, accumulators, multipliers, turbo, vanilla, high and lower, touch and no touch, matches and differs, over and under, then even and odd. So for us today we are just focusing on over and under, and to be specific we are going to do under trading. Okay, under trading is one of the simple trading strategy that a beginner can use. Okay, it is not complicated, very easy, and has a high probability win rate. Okay, so how do we trade this strategy? Okay, first of all, make sure, okay, now these are the conditions that we need to check. These buttons, okay, make sure this buttons is set to under, like that. Okay, so make sure that the button is set to under, because sometimes you might be thinking that the button is set to under, but in real sense it is on over. So when you place a trade you end up getting a loss because you did not check these things. These are the basic things that you need to check. So make sure the button is placed to under, like that. Then there is this digit predictions. Okay, so in digit predictions there is digit 0 to digit 9, and there is this white button here. Make sure this white button is set to 8, like that. Okay, so after making sure that is done, then you come here to duration. Make sure it is set to 1 tick, because sometimes you might be thinking it is in 1 tick and maybe it is in 2 or 3 ticks. So when you take a trade you also get a loss. Then the stake, you can stake the amount that you want, but I normally recommend, if you are trading on a demo account, make sure that on a real account, make sure that you risk 1 to 2% of your account, because that is best in terms of risk management. Okay, but after making sure that all your conditions are met like this, okay, one thing, as a beginner, and you don't have the strategy and you're just watching this video to learn this strategy, make sure after starting to trade this, you try it, or you practice it, or you backtest it on demo account first. Okay, for at least 10 days. Okay, with that 10 days duration you will notice what is working and what is not working, and if the strategy is working for you, okay, just continue trading with it. Now how do we go about under 8 strategy? This is how now you trade. One, or another condition that you need to watch, make sure that green appearing digit is 1 and the red appearing digit is also 1. Then the red appearing digit should not be on digit 9 or 8. Okay, then also the green appearing digit should not be on digit 8 or 9. Rather, it will be best if it is between digit 0 and digit 4. Okay, so in our case now, let's assume that or let's check a volatility that has a digit as a digit, a green appearing digit is appearing on digit 0 to digit 4. Okay, then the red appearing digit should be appear between digit 5 to 7. Okay, but not on 8 or 9. So in our condition now, we can see that digit the red appearing digit is on digit 6, which is okay. The red appearing digit is also on digit 1, which is okay. But now there's another thing. Make sure that digit 9 is below 10%. Okay, just not necessarily digit 9, but any digit between 8 and 9, one of them should be below 10%. Okay, the other one could be above 10%, there is no problem. But in our case now, we can see that both the digits 8 and 9, they are above 10%. So let's check for another volatility so that we can trade. Volatility 101S. So in this volatility, still our condition is not met, so let's go and look for another one. Volatility 251S. Okay, Volatility 25 1s, these digits have met our condition, but there is another problem. The red appearing digit is on upper digits, that is 0 to 4, okay? And we said that for us to enter our trade, the red appearing digit should be below, okay? Should be between 5 and 6, so under 7 I mean, okay? So let's look for another one. Let's change our volatility 51s. This one has not met our condition again. Let's change to volatility 75 1s index. Now this one has not met our condition yet. Why? Because the red appearing digit is on 8. Okay, now let's change again and see another. Okay, this one has not met our condition because the green appearing digit is on digit 5, but instead it should be on between digit 0 and 4. Okay, so let's go and look for another one. Let's wait. This one has not met our condition again, so let's continue looking. This one has not met our condition. Why? Because the green appearing digit is on digit 9 and it's supposed to be between digit 0 and 4. So let's change again. Volatility 50. Let's wait. This one has not met our condition again. So let's keep on looking for a conducive volatility to trade. This one has not met our condition. So we are going to start up again until we get the volatility that has met our conditions. Yes, as you can see, this one now has met our condition. So how do we enter? You enter if digit 8 or 9 has appeared here. So if digit 8 appears here, you enter. If digit 9 appears here, appears on this changing digit. You see this changing digits up here. So we will enter if digit 8 or 9 has appeared. Okay, so that's our entry confirmation. Let's wait and enter like that. You see, that is a win. Let's take another trade and see. Let's wait for 9 or 8 like that. And that's another win. Okay, now this is another thing. Even high probability winning strategies have losses. Okay, so how do you handle losses? Okay, when you first come across it. Okay, there's many different ways of handling losses, but remember this: the way you recover losses is very, very, very important, and I showed that in my Telegram channel. Okay, there is a way you can use, or there's a strategy you can use to recover those losses and maintain your profit. Okay, if you still not have subscribed to my Telegram channel, it's free. Come and learn how you can recover losses while trading under 8 strategy. Okay, because if you don't know how you can recover a loss, it will be difficult for you to be profitable in the long run. Okay, so come and learn how you can recover these losses by clicking the first link in the description box below and join my Telegram. Awesome.